How to fix the application was unable to start correctly? Click OK to close the application. First step, search for run and type the following text CLEANMGR. Click OK. Select the drive and select the files you are going to delete. If you are not aware, means you need to click view files and verify it and click OK and delete the files. Wait for some time to delete completely. Once deleting after, next step, search for control panel. Click it. Click programs. Click uninstall a program. Left side, turn Windows features on and off is there. Click it and enable. If it's disabled, means you need to enable the .NET framework. Make sure it should be enable mode. Click OK. Next step, click settings. Click app settings. Click installed app. Scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you're having the older version, means you need to update it and click the three dot icon. Click repair. Do it for both 86 and 64-bit. Close it. For updating the Microsoft Visual C++, go to browser, go to the official website of Microsoft. This is the official website. Download and install the latest version. So always go to the official website of the Microsoft, download and install it. The next step, install the latest DirectX runtime. Go to the official website, download and install the latest version. Next step, click settings. Click Windows Update and click check for update. Make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending, means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Then open this PC, click C drive, right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. You have enough memory space. Make sure it. Once complete after, close it and restart your device. Thank you.